Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am headed to the mall to run some errands, and I saw that Certified Sampson is going to be there, so I am on my way to go see him, and I have a little picture. I hope that he'll be willing to take it out with me, but yeah, hopefully. And you'll get that in the video as well. I will be doing a shout out in this video, so stay tuned for that as well. Lazy as hell elevator. So yeah, I want to be fast. Look at this line, Olia.
Time I could have
Thank you so much. Next. That's it? Yeah. Alright, yeah, sure. I'm just reading. Wait. I'm gonna do it still. Wow! No, you don't. Yo! Wait, hola. Go. I like it.
Yeah, so I get through. Okay guys, so I am back home, and let's get into the shout out video. Only don't mind my face, don't mind my eyebrows. Nothing can do yet. It's no mountain. So give me a little week or so and I will be looking snatched. Anyways, let me get into the shout out. First, I would like to thank every one of my subscribers. Thank you so much guys for being with me and enjoying my video. Well, I hope that you enjoy my videos. But yeah, so thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate every comment, every like, every share, every subscribe. So thank you. Make sure and share if you actually enjoyed my video. Make sure to share it to your Facebook, let somebody else see it. And I would like to shout out my husband. He has been supporting me throughout this entire YouTube journey. I just decided to be like, oh, I want to be a YouTuber, and here we are. Thank you so much. He has been very supportive for everything. When I just want to go and run out and do this video, he is very supportive of it. Never had any confrontation. So thank you so much. I love you. And thanks to my family and my friends who are close to me that have been sharing my videos without me even asking them. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I also would like to shout out two people that I have noticed before I even got like a good 200 subscribers. Is Lloyd with, I mean, he has always been like correcting me, always point out the good and the bad of my videos, mostly good, and he would tell me, you know, he would correct me on like certain stuff that I say in my video. Thank you so much for that. And you know, I really do appreciate it. I'm not the type to take criticism as an offense. I actually welcome them. So thank you so much for all your comments and advice and suggestions on my videos. Thank you so much. As I would like to shout out, oh gosh, I'm talking too fast. I would also like to shout out Emmanuel Paul. He has been there. I mean, almost all my videos he there. And these are the people that I don't know personally. They just watch my videos. So thank you so much for commenting and sharing and liking my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you for that. I would also like to give a shout out to KG. That person has been on my channel for a while commenting. Thank you so much. I didn't write down anything. Oh god, how could I forget Keidron Pope? Thank you so much for commenting. Pick up yourself. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos, and make sure to share on your Facebook. Tell people to subscribe. I will be doing a next subscriber shout out. hopefully soon. So if anybody else wants to have a shout out, just comment under this video and let me know. I will write it down and give everybody a shout out. I'd also like to, they have somebody else here, Trin something. I'm trying to remember. Trin somebody. And I know who it is, but the name in comments somewhere. Let me see if I could find it. Yes, Trin Cara Williams. I see it here. Thank you so much for all the comments and all the love on my videos. Thank you, I really do appreciate it. I know it was Trin something, but it was taking long to come to my head. Also, I would like to thank Jacob Jeffrey. He has been commenting. I recently started seeing his comments. Esther McFall, thank you so much for encouraging me to continue doing videos. I really do appreciate it. Oh, I would also like to shout out Humble B. I've noticed you under a couple of my videos. Thank you so much for your comments. 321B, she is also a YouTuber. She does a lot of tours and recipe videos, so you can check her out. She also supports me. Thank you so much for all the love. And that's the end of my shout out, guys. If you would like a shout out in my next upcoming video, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll make sure to write it down so I wouldn't be back and forth on my phone to see to try and figure out who to call next. So let me know in the comment section below if you want a shout out, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. We are headed to the savannah to see fireworks because today is Independence Day in Trinidad, 31st of August every single year, and this year we are celebrating, I believe it's 57 years of independence. So yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video and see you in my next one. For now, I'm not sure if I'll be doing a closing or how good of a footage I will get at the savannah, because I know after a while them fireworks and them start to get too smoky. But I really hope you enjoy the rest of this video and see you in my next one. Bye.